So if you are serious about really making money online, you need to hear this. So welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm talking to anyone who is like serious about making money online. I'm not talking about people who's like, yo, I just want to earn like an extra $10 to $20 a month online. No, I'm talking to the people that's like, yo, I'm trying to make an extra $1,000 a month. I'm trying to hit $5,000, $10,000 a month, right? I'm talking to the people that's like, yo, I want to be successful on YouTube. I want to be successful at drop shipping. I want to be successful with affiliate marketing or network marketing or creating your own product. I'm talking to you. Now, I've talked about this in previous videos, and that is a lot of people don't really understand or realize that the top ways that people are making all this money online when it comes to YouTube, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, all these things, is they don't understand like the work that goes into it, right? The thing that you probably are hoping to be successful in, you need to understand that it's going to take some grinding to be successful in that, right? I'm talking about affiliate marketing, network marketing, drop shipping, being a YouTuber, blogging, vlogging, whatever. All of that shit takes effort, right? So one thing that you really need to have when it comes to your mindset is the mindset of, I'm going to outwork everyone, right? I'm going to outwork everyone in that industry. So if I'm trying to be a successful YouTuber, I'm going to outwork everybody, right? And I don't just mean like, I'm going to put out as many videos as everybody. No. What I mean is you're being strategic with it. You're going to outwork everyone, right? The time that you have available to be a YouTuber, you're going to use that time very wisely, right? Same thing with affiliate marketing. You want to outwork everybody who's promoting that product, right? You know, I'm in Nexus Snap, right? Which is network marketing, affiliate marketing, whatever. So my mindset is, all right, I'm going to outwork everybody, right? I'm going to constantly put out content. I'm going to try different things, right? But that doesn't mean that I'm going to, you know, kill myself trying to promote Nexus. No. When I got the time, when I dedicate the time to Nexus Snap, I'm going to utilize that time to be as effective as I can, right? And that's the mindset that you need to have no matter what you're trying to do online. And honestly, this can apply even on offline. Like this can apply to, you know, sports or recreation activities or your 9-to-5 job. But you're going to get the most out of it. You're going to reach your highest potential when you have the mindset of, I'm going to outwork everybody in this game. Period. That's the mindset you got to have. Because we live in a world now where there are no excuses. Like, it seems like maybe 10, 15 years ago, it was tons of excuses people could come up with, right? Oh, I don't know how to do something. You can look it up now on Google. I can't get places. You got Uber now. You know what I mean? It's like there's so many opportunities out there. There's so many resources out there to be successful in whatever it is you're trying to do. Shit, you trying to be an actor now. Back in the day, right? You want to be an actor, you had to go to LA. You had to go to New York. Now you could audition. You know what I'm saying? From your bedroom, you could audition. You can get an acting job. So there is no excuses. When you want to be a successful YouTuber, right? Keep on creating content. See what works for you. See what sticks. You can blow up on YouTube from the comfort of your room, right? The bottom line is you got to have that work ethic. You got to have that mentality like nobody's doing it as good as me. Nobody's going as hard as me with this opportunity. And with that mindset, that's going to keep you motivated. That's going to keep you going. And that's ultimately going to help you achieve your goals.